All right, if you are in Zoom and you're wanting to share your screen, this is basically what your Zoom should look like. And if you kind of move your mouse around or hover it at the bottom of your screen, it should pop up a little menu that looks like this. And one of the options on that menu is share screen. So you can just click that. And it should pop up some options for you. It may say screen or it may say desktop. That's the option that you want to choose. And if you're sharing something with sound, you can check this little box down here, then just click share. And now you are sharing your screen with the other participants. You'll have this little bar pop up right here that gives you the option to stop sharing. If you click this little red button, you can pause your share. So now you can see that it's going to be frozen for the other participants. You can annotate if you want to, so we can draw things on the screen if we need to. And when you're ready to stop sharing, you can just click stop share and it'll go back to your regular screen.